we will talk about salts and how they are formed. They are usually formed by the reaction between a metal and an acid. In this table, we have the acid types. There's the parent acid and the salt produced. We'll talk in this video about this table more deeply and see the most common salts. So let's start. All simple acids contain hydrogen. When that hydrogen is replaced by a metal, the compound formed is called a salt. We said that when any metal reacts with an acid, it will produce salt plus hydrogen gas. So salt is obtained when hydrogen is replaced by a metal. For example, magnesium sulfate, zinc chloride, and potassium nitrate. These are some salts that are formed when acid reacts with a metal. In this table, we have acids and salts. In the first column, we have parent acid, and in the second, we have salts. First, we have sulfuric acid. The salts produced are sulfates. For example, magnesium sulfate. Next, we have hydrochloric acid. The salts produced are chlorides. For example, zinc chloride. And lastly, we have nitric acids. And the salts produced are nitrates. For example, potassium nitrates. This table is very important. Any metal that reacts with sulfuric acid produces sulfates. When this metal reacts with hydrochloric acid, it produces chlorides. And when it reacts with nitric acid, it produces nitrates. For example, magnesium sulfate was produced from the reaction between magnesium and sulfuric acid. However, when zinc reacted with hydrochloric acid, we obtained zinc chloride. And when potassium reacted with nitric acid, we obtained potassium nitrate. These are the most common salts. We should memorize them very well.